It seems blockchain is still not dead. This blog post diagram from AWS blogs caught my eye, where Trackit, which is an AWS partner, has been deploying blockchain solutions for a lot of clients. In this example, they have deployed a solution for ChainLink. If you are not aware of ChainLink, ChainLink is one of the respected solutions or blockchain platform in the crypto world. Chainlink is a decentralized blockchain oracle network built on Ethereum. The network is designed to facilitate the transfer of tamper-proof data from off-chain sources to an on-chain smart contracts. Trackit's assistance in deploying a scalable Chainlink environment on AWS has really opened the bar because now AWS can prove that they can deploy as many blockchain solutions on the cloud as customers want. In this particular case, Trackit leveraged a comprehensive suite of AWS services, as you can see on your screen, to implement this customized Chainlink workflow for their client. With more than 70 validated blockchain solutions from partner providing support to all major blockchains protocol including Sawtooth, Camel, Hyperledger, Ethereum, Corda, and blockchain, AWS has really become the leading vendor for customers looking to deploy blockchain and ledger technology. In this particular architecture, you can see that we have a VPC with subnets to host the infrastructure, and then we have EKS cluster with some Kubernetes nodes. And we are using AWS managed nodes in this case, it seems, using EC2. All of them are being used to host Chainlink and Chainlink adapters. Also, Chainlink is using AWS Aurora with Postgres. There are other resources deployed too, which include Secret Manager to store sensitive information and also KMS to encrypt secret with SOPs. It is also using EFS, which is Elastic File Service, and this has been used as block storage system, which is compatible with EKS. And you also achieve some cross availability zone replication. This architecture is also using an internal load balancer, which is basically created by EKS. And we also have the DNS Route 53, which is being created by external DNS. The virtual private network or VPN is being used to access Chainlink from this cluster. And this all has been deployed by the Terraform. AWS has a very good blog post on this, and I will share the link in video description so that if you want to see the source code or how the solution has been deployed, or even if you want to play around with it by yourself, you can do it. For me, the good news is that I'm so happy to see that blockchain is still there because I still believe that no matter how much scammy the crypto sounds, blockchain has the future, and cloud will adapt it sooner rather than later. I hope that you found it interesting. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.